Hello friends, welcome back to Siri English. My name is Siri. I bring to you another important verbal ability with spotting errors. We are going to see certain sentences and see which is grammatically incorrect. Okay? Let's get started. Firstly, we'll read statements one by one and find out if any error in the statements. Here goes the question. The following sentences may contain error. You have to find out that part of the sentence which contains the error. If there are no errors, choose E as your answer. Okay. I have been living in this city since last several years, but I have never experienced any discrimination. So there are options A, B, C, D, E. In the option A, have been living. Have been living is okay. It is present perfect continuous. It is an action started in the past and still continuing. Okay, there is no error. In the city seems right. Since last several years, we find error. Have never experienced, no error. So actually this have been living is present perfect continuous and it is often used with since or for. It should be for the last several years. So we find C as error. The correct part is it should be for the last several years. To indicate duration, we use for. Since is used to indicate the starting point of action or situation. Okay. So C option is error. Now let's move forward. There was a big argument about if we should move to a bigger house. Now there was, okay, seems pretty good. Argument about, okay, seems right. If we should, we find error. Move to, okay. So we find error in C part, C option. Actually it should be whether we should. After preposition, we cannot use if clause. Instead, we should use whether. If is used when the sentence is conditional. Whether is used when the sentence is discussing a choice or two alternatives. The whether is used after prepositions. So here option C is error. Okay. I found this bangle while digging in the backyard. I don't know who it belonged to. I found, okay, seems right. While digging also seems right. In the backyard, okay. Who it belonged to seems error. Actually, who refers to a subject of the clause and whom refers to the object of the clause. Here in this clause, I don't know who it belonged to. In the place of who, whom should be replaced because who should be in objective position. So whom comes after a preposition like from and to. It should be to whom it belonged. The sentence should be I don't know to whom it belonged. When the relative pronoun is the object of the relative clause, we use whom instead of who. Note that in this case the preposition normally goes before it. Whom is receiving the action while who is performing the action. Okay, is it clear? So D is the answer. Instead of who, we have to replace whom. Okay, let's go to next type of question. Here the question goes, read each sentence given below and find out whether there is an error in it. The error, if any, will be the one of the parts of the sentence which are marked as 1, 2, 3 and 4. If there is no error, the answer will be 5. Here the sentence is given. Until you do not apologize, you will not be permitted to go outside. Let's know what type of sentence it is actually. Until you do not apologize, you will not be permitted to go outside. Actually, here main clause and dependent clauses are there. Let's see the first part. Until you, it's okay, it's right. Until means here up to the event mentioned. Do not apologize, okay, seems error because until conveys a negative sense. When it conveys a negative sense, again we should not use not. So this part has error. You will not be, okay, seems right. Permitted to go outside also seems right. Here we find in the usage of until we should not use again not. So second one has error. Actually, these are double negative types of errors. The correct sentence should be, until you apologize, you will not be permitted to go outside. Similarly, we do not use not with the following words also, like unless, until, least, forbid, prevent, prohibit, refuse, deny, and dissuade. Hope you got it. Let's move forward. She denied that she was not present there at the time of the accident. Now, the first part, she denied that, seems right. Here, the meaning of denied is something to refuse or admit, to refuse to admit or accept. The second part is she was not present. It seems error. There at the time, okay. Of the accident also, okay. So, where we find error? We find error in the second part, because in the usage of denied, we should not use again not. So, the correct sentence should be, she denied that she was present there at the time the accident took place. So, here we find in the second part. So, okay, the second part is wrong. Now, let's move further. His elder seems pretty good. Brother is okay. More intelligent also okay. Than him. Here we find error. Because here the correct sentence should be, his elder brother is more intelligent than he. So instead of him, we have to use he. Because when the personal pronoun follows than, it should be regarded as the subject of the clause, which might not be completed. So, him actually is wrong. It should refer to the subject of the clause. Here we replace him with he. So, actually, when the personal pronoun follows than, it should be regarded as the subject of the clause. The sentence should be, his elder brother is more intelligent than he is. We do not include is here, so it is incomplete. So we are we are writing up to the correct sentence will be up to he. His elder brother is more intelligent than he. Is it clear? Now let's move to the question. Next question. The amount which, okay, the company has paid seems right. To dependents of the dead worker seems right. Is fairly unjustified. Here we find error, because here unjustified is unpleasant, and fairly we should not use with the unpleasant adjectives. So fairly is only used with pleasant adjectives like fairly good, fairly wise. So what should be used? We have to use rather. Rather is used with unpleasant adjectives like rather dull, rather difficult. So the which part is error? Fourth one, D. We find error. Okay. Hope you understood. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Hope the video is helpful. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe for next videos. I wish you the very best. Bye.